Yet cats choose silence, most often saving their voice for what truly matters. Fact number 19. The world's longest cat measured 48.5 inches long. His name was Stewie, a Maine Coon who stretched across hearts as much as spaces. Fact number 20. Cats have a specialized collarbone that allows them to always land on their feet. They twist in midair, adjusting, trusting that somehow they will be okay. Fact number 21. In ancient Egypt, cats were considered sacred. When a family cat died, family members would shave their eyebrows and mourn, honoring the small life that had brought such comfort. Fact number 22. A cat's field of vision is about 200 degrees. They see the world in a wider frame than we ever will, noticing what we miss. Fact number 23. Cats sleep more in rainy weather. The sound of rain, the drop in barometric pressure, signals them to curl up tighter, to sleep deeper, to rest. Fact number 24. A cat's brain is 90% similar to a human brain.